Hi, welcome to my North York garden. I'm Miriam and this is my alternative to a traditional lawn, which gives me a lot of shade and points of interest with our pollinators and small animals and birds. This is usually in the first half of the day a very hot sunny spot, so we have things like asters and pearly everlasting, coreopsis, liatris, etc. here, as well as some Minarda, fistulosa. This is also a bee box that a candidate for the PhD student in University of Ottawa is measuring the effect of heat in an urban environment on the development of bees. And this will be an ongoing project for a number of years. For the most part, this is more of a woodland garden, provided with shade from various trees. We have we have running strawberry and Solomon seal and Christmas fern and a variety of other things. Oh, here we have early Meadow Roo and your alternate leaf dogwood. This is your cohosh. It still has a blue berry there. The chipmunk hasn't taken it off yet. And we have a number of large leaf aster, which really likes this spot, which is great. And this is interesting as a ground cover. It's called Pennsylvania sedge. There's a beautiful feel to it. We have zigzag goldenrod. There's a spice bush. Again, I have the downspout coming down, providing water for whatever grows in here. All the wood, when I trim trees or have trees trimmed, all the wood is used in the garden for edging, or sometimes I've seen toads in here. And so it's using our native plants effectively and having fun with it.